Welcome to today's story. Let's listen together. Let's read together. Let's learn together. Today's story is The Bird Who Forgot How to Sing. In a bright green valley lived a small yellow bird named Tuki. Tuki used to sing every morning, filling the valley with music. People said her voice was the happiest sound in the world. But one spring, after a long storm, Tuki woke up and discovered something terrible. She couldn't sing. She opened her beak, tried her best, but no sound came out, not even a squeak. Tuki felt scared. Singing was her life. She flew to the tallest tree where her friends lived. "Help me," she said. "I can't sing anymore." Her friend Pora, a wise old bird, looked at her closely. "You're tired," he said. "Your voice needs rest." "But I rested during the storm," protested Tuki. "Rest inside," Pora said gently. "Not just your wings, your heart." Tuki didn't understand, but she tried. She slept more. She drank fresh water from the stream. She sat quietly in the sun, but still no song. She flew to the valley goats, to the rabbits, to the old fox. Everyone gave advice, but nothing worked. One evening, feeling hopeless, Tuki perched on a fence and sighed. "What if I never sing again?" A little girl named Elin heard her. Elin loved birds and walked slowly over. "You look sad," she said. Tuki nodded. "I lost my voice." Elin sat beside her. "When I'm sad, my voice becomes small too, but when someone listens to me, my voice comes back." Tuki blinked. "So I need someone to listen?" Elin nodded. "Maybe you need to talk before you sing." So Tuki talked. She told Elin about the storm, her fear, her sadness, and how empty she felt without music. Elin listened with kind eyes, never interrupting. When Tuki finished, something warm fluttered in her chest. She took a deep breath, opened her beak, and a small, soft note came out. Then another, and another. Her song returned, gentle at first, then stronger, brighter, sweeter. Elin clapped happily. "You just needed someone to hear your heart." Tuki chirped joyfully and flew into the sky, singing louder than ever. The valley filled with her music again, and everyone smiled. From that day on, Tuki remembered something important. Voices don't disappear. Sometimes they just need understanding. End of story. But see you next story.